Okay, I've just driven down to a local little car park, and I'm going to do a 7-minute 5.8 kilometer Macca's run. It's the first time I've going to try this. This is huge, so let's give it a go. And of course this is FSD supervised, so I always have to be ready to take over. Press and hold, tap brake to confirm. Okay. Where are you going? Okay, gonna go that way. Cool. Alright. Yep, very good. Nice and slow out of the footpath, and off we go. Slows down for the crossing / speed bump. Great speed, yeah, awesome. I do have the speed offset at 10%. Wow, took that corner great. That is a scary corner sometimes. Alright, my first roundabout. Okay. Oh man, it is so confident. Holy heck. That's awesome. Okay. Tricky little roundabout up here. And of course, no issues at all. Look at that. Obviously it's 4:30 in the morning, so there's not going to be a huge amount of traffic, but probably the best time to give this a first try. Of course my plans went out the window for my first ever drive, but this is fine. There isn't. Good. It's got to get up to speed. It just feels so smooth, so natural. Unbelievable. It's got a tricky little intersection down here. It's got to handle a stop sign and deal with some curbs. And then we get some tricky stuff later on as well. Ah, this is cool. Stop sign, there's no one coming, we have to go across. Yep, stop. And there it goes. Cool. Alright, this is meant to be 2 lanes, but there's no lane marking. Oh, there you go, there's 1 lane marking, but so it's kind of sort of drifting in the middle of the road a little bit, but oh, this is so cool. Alright, pick a lane. Now we've got 2 90-degree bends up here, which this is what I've been waiting for. You gotta slow down. Alright, this is a tricky one. Took it a little wide, but beautiful. So cool. Alright, now I've got a roundabout here. Well done. Going a little under the speed limit, but that's perfectly fine. We're in a residential zone, pardon me. Alright, now it's got to make a left turn at these lights. And it's got to get over. Wonderful. So cool. Okay, we're almost at our destination. It's only a short drive, so see how it deals with this roundabout. Going to deal with the roundabout, yep. Okay. Doesn't know where to go afterwards because it kind of just stops. It's it's at its destination, so hopefully it just pulls over, does it? Okay, I don't think it knows what to do, but it's not parking, but hey, that 0 interventions, so freaking cool.